Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I will show a product that is MOOHAM Dainty layered initial necklace for women. Trendy 14K real gold plated paperclip chain necklace, cute hexagon letter pendant initial choker necklace, gold layered necklace for women. Size of the gold paper clip chain initial necklace is 18 inch plus 2 inch extension, and the layering paper clip chain necklace for women Trendy is 14 inch plus 2 inch extension. Perfect dainty levered necklace initial necklace for women girls wear. Material: the gold necklace for women Trendy are made of high quality brass material, 14K real gold plated, nickel free and lead free, no harm to skin. Layering initial necklace, gold layered paperclip chain letter initial necklace set with hexagon charm engraved with initial and harp in the back and front. Large initial pendant dainty necklace for women, teen girls jewelry, perfect girls. The necklace for women Trendy comes with an elegant free gift necklace box, perfect gifts jewelry for women. Girls, teen girls wear. After sale service, 180 days after sale service and exchange. If you have any questions about the gold necklace for women Trendy, we will reply you within 24 hours to solve your problem. Now I would like to show a video of this product. Now I will show a review of this product. That is the customer review. Customer reviews: C4.6 out of 5, 40,935. Global ratings: 5 star, 70%, 4 star, 12%, 5 3 star, 6%, 2 star, 2%, 1 star, 5 3%. Now I would like to show some images of this product. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscription button, press the bell icon, and customer review. Check out the description to find the product links.